If you'd like to simplify your WooCommerce product pages and remove the zoom effect from product images, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Disabling zoom can make your store feel cleaner and reduce distractions while customers browse. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, click Appearance, then choose Customize. This opens the live preview of your site along with the customization panel. In that sidebar, scroll down and find Additional CSS. This is where you can safely add custom code without changing your theme files. Once inside the editor, paste the CSS code that disables product zoom. This small snippet turns off the zoom effect when shoppers hover over your product images. Be careful not to delete or edit any existing code. Just paste your new CSS at the bottom. Before saving, use the preview window on the right to make sure the zoom effect is gone from your product pages. If everything looks good, click Publish to apply the change. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store now has a cleaner, distraction-free product display. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.